Guys, we're here at the radio station. We're waiting to get buzzed in. We're going to do the commercial shoot here, waiting on Anastasia to buzz us in, and we're going to get at it, guys.
Job. I wish there was something better.
Are you tired of the same old and looking for a change?
Actually, yeah.
Then Little's Pressure Washing is for you. Family owned for over a decade, we're offering $18 an hour as starting pay for commercial washing and residential washing with travel, lunches, and uniforms paid for. All you need is the willingness to learn. If you or someone you know wants a flexible schedule with guaranteed 40 hours a week, come work with Barry at Little's Pressure Washing. Guys, what do you think about this truck right here? What do you think about this truck? Refrigerator truck. They only want $12,500 for it. Look, got the lift gate in the back. $12,500. Look at this. I think, yeah, refrigerator truck. Make a lot of money with this truck, man. It's international. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think about it, guys? Always looking at expansion, guys. Always looking at expansion. Lunchtime. I got Sadie some 5 ounces of chicken and pork and beans and a barbecue sandwich. All right, guys, I'm up here at the first location. We're going to start washing. We have the hoses ran out. We're filling up with water. I ran into another Nissan XD Titan owner. We chopped it up. Really cool guy. I got his information. He told me to keep trucking with it. So just kind of an update on Nissan. So I ended up having to get a lawyer, and we have a lawyer, and they've made they tried to settle like 2 times with like, I don't want to go into the details, but they've made 2 offers, and it's like a smack in my face. It's like a literally smack in my face, guys. My truck's a $43,000 truck up there. Won't work. It doesn't work. The battery's dead on, the paint's coming off of it, the engine's blown. And I don't want to go into it all on this video, but the fact that they've offered it twice means they're dead wrong. They know they're dead wrong. Not only Nissan, but Newton Buick GMC's the dealer that sold it to me. So they sold it to me. I'm going to make another video about this, guys. For all the new people, I'll make a new video. All my old timers and all my ones from day one, you guys know what's going on, man. Just to fill y'all in, we have lawyered up. They've made 2 offers that are like smacking my face. I said, no, no, we're not doing that. And yeah, man, so basically I have the engine, it's blown, suck-up blown engine, the paint's coming off, the rear end, these issues, and it's under warranty. They're not doing nothing to it, man. So it was all misleading. They should have never sold to me that way. I would have never bought it. I would have never paid $43,000 with all the catalytic converters missing and the exhaust missing, and it tuned. I couldn't even control the tune. It came like that, straight lied to my face. But I don't want to get mad. I ran into, you know, God is in control. God is in control. I ran into a fellow right now who has a Titan Nissan XD. And so, you know, we talked about it, and I'm going to keep pressing forward, man. I'm going to drop a full video on what's going on with that Nissan, all right? So stay tuned for that. Salute you guys. Let's get ready. Let's get to work. So, yeah, we're gonna get back positive. Just talking about this gentleman on the video. He walked back up, man. He just blessed me. I don't want to put out what he did, but he just blessed me tremendously. And, yeah, man, and it just, a man of God here.
From one brother to another, man.
God is amazing. It's crazy. This man just stopped. I just walked out. I seen his truck, like my truck, and I just went over and started chopping up with him, and one thing led to another. Now we got each other's information. He's a Titan owner, like I'm a Titan owner, and God is amazing. That's what I'm saying. This is going to be the year.
Yeah.
This is going to be the year. We going up from here.
Let's go.
We're going to be washing all the sidewalks here, all the way around in the parking places. So that's where we're going to start over here and work our way around over there by that police officer on the other side and do these parking places around the handicap as well as over here. So stay tuned for that. Hit that like button and let's go. Snuck up on me, man. Old man winter out of nowhere. I looked at the thermostat. I think it's 35. I don't know, but as long as it don't get 32, we're good. Actually, I can work at 32 as long as the ground don't freeze. But anyway, we're at another location. We got that place looking good. You seen the pictures just done. So we're at the next one. We're going to hit all this sidewalk. Let me show you a spot that always gets bad. pan around real quick. So when you're doing back here, this is a high traffic area right here. Always black by the door, and a lot of grease gets right here because they're going up to the grease container. So it'll accidentally slosh out. And let me tell you, if you put soap and water on that, it's like ice. So be careful and don't want to get any sodium hydroxide on the doors. You can help it to take the paint off. So there's always some over. Let's go over here and look at the dumpster in the garbage area. We'll check this out as well. Doesn't look that bad. It's been worse. We'll still hit it. Yeah, we'll still hit it there. Let's go in here, look around, check it out. Yeah, we'll definitely hit it. Get that trash up and hit it. Yeah. Right, guys, we're gonna hit all this sidewalk over here. We're gonna hit in front of the door. We're gonna hit over here. Get this looking real. Look at all this like coffee and stuff spilled right here. We're gonna get that cleaned up nice and clean. So we got some water hooked up and going. Nonetheless, hit that like button, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we finally got it done out here. Show you behind me. We got all this clean. And we got all that clean over there. So we're gonna roll it up and we're gonna get the next one, guys. Hit that like button. Let's go. Guys, it's a wrap here. We got it looking good. All right, guys, me and Sadie are almost at the house. We'll go ahead and end the video here. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. I didn't realize it's 31 degrees, actually 29.
It's 29 degrees.
Oh my gosh. Guys, hit that like button. We're gonna end the video here. We're almost home. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure you sign up for the Patreon below. Hit that like button. Let's go.